All right, guys, so in the middle of doing all this other work, you might see on other videos, I'm going to swap out this air filter. Figured I'll just do a little quick video. Can't imagine anyone has trouble with this, but just in case. So on here, you got that guy over there. Just turn, loosen, pop him off. Got your clips. Pull him off. Slide him out, and if you look in there, definitely a little dirty. This guy, definitely dirty. I may vacuum him out and use him as a emergency hot spare just in case. But what I want to do, I had another, I can't think your name, sorry fella, but a guy posted to look in here and see if I see dust, which, I mean, you can see looks to be there's some dust inside of there. So obviously filter's not filtering just as good as it should, and you know that's not good, getting dust down up in there. So I'm going to try to wipe that out as good as I can. And then he had suggested getting an inner and outer liner, and so I'm going to look at doing that as well. And there's also, you can also get something that mounts up here, a particulate filter, I believe. It kind of filters the air before it even reaches the filter. So those are a little expensive, but you know what isn't. So I'll add that to the list as well. But for now, I'm going to clean the inside of this and then clean kind of as far as I can up in there to try to get any residual dust that's in there, and we'll put the new one on. All right, so he is wiped out. I'm going to take my new filter, seat him on. Again, you know, make sure you clean very well anywhere where this filter is going to touch and mount to. You know, you don't want any particulates or anything there. Make sure he's on. Attach little door back on there. Attach door back on there. Attach little clippies. Second little clippy. And that part is done. Put him up here, turn him, put him up here, turn him, and he is installed. Just as an FYI, this is the filter I installed. allballsracing.com. Seems to be, you know, putting them side by side. Everything seemed identical. So we're going to run with this until I do next upgrades on the air intake stuff that we were talking about. All right, guys, and quick, probably don't need this, but I'm old and senile, so next year when I do this again, I'll probably watch this video and be happy I did it. Like, subscribe, do all that crap. Thanks, guys.